How to delete all the audio files on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up your file manager. Now tap on audio. Now keep holding any of the file. Now at the top right corner you will find an option for select all. Tap on it. Now tap on delete. Now tap on delete all. Now go back. Scroll down and tap on recently deleted. Now tap on delete all. Now tap on delete all again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.